Tired of missing out on profitable trades and spending countless hours glued to your screen? Well, buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving into the exciting world of building your own pocket option trading bot. First things first, you'll need a foundation. Choose a programming language you're comfortable with. Python is a popular choice due to its extensive libraries and ease of use, but languages like JavaScript or C can also work. Now, dive into the Pocket Option API documentation. You can usually find it on their developer portal or by contacting their support. This is the key to communicating with the Pocket Option platform. Next, define your trading strategy. Will your bot follow moving averages, RSI, or a custom indicator? Clearly outline the entry and exit conditions. It is crucial to remember that you are responsible for the strategy's success or failure, so think wisely. Risk management is paramount. Set stop loss and take profit levels to protect your capital. Determine your position sizing strategy. You will want to include parameters to control how much of your capital the bot can risk on any single trade. Before deploying your bot with real money, rigorously backtest your strategy using historical data. Refine your parameters based on the results. This will help you to validate its performance before risking any real capital. Integrate your code with the Pocket Option API. Using API keys, monitor your bot's performance constantly, and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Remember, building a successful trading bot requires patience, continuous learning, and diligent testing.